name is Jessica Lynn. I'm addicted to YouTube. I found yet another channel that has inspired me. And what I love to do, this is Do It on a Dime. It's Catherine's channel, all about how to de-stash your house, how to do Dollar Tree finds, how to make inexpensive hacks to kind of organize your closet. So what I wanted to do was give back to the people who have inspired me. Catherine has definitely inspired me, and what I do best is rubber stamps. So I wanted to offer her something that she could use, and I did the design work to match her logo, and then I put her blog website address and then also her mailing address so she could use this for mailings and stuff like that. It is a professionally created red rubber. You can see I carved into the red rubber. It's really nice. It's mounted on a foam with foam, and then there's a wooden block with a handle. I'm going to send her ink too, because obviously I don't know if she has ink. Maybe she does, maybe she doesn't. But I'm going to have to send this off to her as a thank you. My goal for 2018 is to give back to the people that have inspired me. So I've already given a couple of stamps out so far, and my goal is to continue to do that. She has really inspired me to kind of want to step my YouTube channel up a bit. I've made some big changes. Hopefully you guys have noticed those. And so I can't wait to see what Catherine thinks. I hope she loves it. The other thing she's really inspired me to do is want to clean up my office. So I'll maybe do some of that soon. But if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. I'm going to pop a little Brentwood up, and then I'm also going to pop up 2 more videos. You can watch those at your leisure. Down below, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever visited her channel? What inspires you? Thanks again for following.